shopping on Amazon the other day for some stuff that I think is really going to help me out this winter. Let's get in. I love this tape that Amazon uses. It's so easy to just get through. Don't really need the scissors, but it's faster. Alrighty. So, first up, I have some coffee maker. Cafe de Chateau sent me a message on Instagram asking me to try this out for them. And obviously, as a coffee lover and tea lover, etc., was more than happy to help out. So I guess I thought it was a French press, but it's actually cold brew. 34 ounce capacity, 304 grade stainless steel components. I don't know what that means. They even have a warranty on it, so that's nice. Meets FDA standards. All materials are food safe. And a free brewing guide. Let's dig in and see what it looks like. Cold brew coffee maker has extremely sharp edges, especially the stainless steel housing. Handle with care. Like, now I'm nervous. Go. That was easy. It's the manual and brewing guide. The warranty information. And the coffee maker. Pretty spiffy looking. Pretty spiffy looking. So I assume the coffee goes in there, and water goes in there, and then you just leave it. But I'll have to read the instructions later, because this is not the last thing we're unboxing today. Next thing is this. I like the packaging. Figured this was very relevant to the video we're doing today. It's a repotting mat, so I can make less of a mess. This thing is huge, and it's got snaps so you can make like a little corner. It's nice. Jane is sitting on my lap and she is displeased by all the movement. Okay. For some reason I thought there was more stuff in here, but I guess this is the last item in this package. And these are probably what I'm most excited about. Dropping everything. It's grow lights. Because I don't know if you guys can tell how dark it is, but the light above me is on and the window is wide open and it's still pretty dark in here. So it's time for some grow lights. This is from Most Think. It comes in a pack of 2 with 1 controller, and they include zip ties and the sticky tape to attach it to stuff. And there's no instruction. Oh wait, no, there is an instruction manual right here. Do not immerse in water. Do not immerse in fire. Okay then. I don't know if we want to do either of those things to a grow light, but you know. Let's see. So it's got a timer indicator, timer settings, brightness adjustment, on-off switch. And each one of the bars has 48 LED lights, with a maximum power of 10 watts. Pretty cool. I'm excited to put those up.